Okay, we're going to prep some 5-wall polycarbonate. If you notice, there's a blue film on each side. And I have perforated tapes here. This is the bottom, and this is your top tape. So the reason why we use these tapes is to alleviate condensation. You're going to get condensation in this system, but it just helps out a lot. If you do get condensation into your panels, it's not the end of the world. It's completely normal, and it does go away. So what I like to do if I'm prepping is I'll peel this blue film on both sides, like so. Measure out. Cut it. Scissors works really well for this, but I don't have any on me. And don't pull this all the way off. Just start it and just sort of work my way across evenly on the bottom, being sure I don't stick this to the blue film. And the reason why I don't peel the blue film right away, it just protects it right to the end. Close the tab over. And you might find that this stuff doesn't stick perfectly, which is fine because there's another step where we put an H over top and then it'll close it in. So now we're going to do the top, measure it out. And you do the same thing. And if you cut it too long, it's not the end of the world. A cap's going to cover that. You'll never see it. The one thing you don't want to do is leave a little bit of a gap there, because that helps bugs get in and you will get condensation. Also, the poly, once we install it, it's UV protectant on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way you put this poly in, just as long as this is the top and that's on the bottom.